Next topic is solving equations, one variable equations. So we're still solving one variable equations. But now we're going to use another, I don't want to call it a trick, more so a method. So cross multiplying is a trick, right? And we like it because it's fast. The next method we're going to learn, though, is what's called clearing fractions. So I'm going to start with something that's pretty easy to show you how to solve equations by clearing fractions. You want to use the method of clearing fractions when you have an equation and you have multiple fractions. Now this example here, it says x plus 36 divided by -6 equal to -7. We don't necessarily need to clear fractions as a method, but we're going to see it here. So you see you have a fraction. We want to clear the fraction. So I need to look and see, okay, my denominator is -6. I want to clear the fraction, meaning get rid of the fractions. To clear fractions, you want to multiply both sides of the equation by the least common denominator. And in this case, it's just -6. So I'm going to multiply the left side of the equation by -6 and the right side of the equation by -6. So let me rewrite this. You have -6 times here equal to, and then -6 times -7 is +42. Now on the left side, I'm not going to distribute in this case. I want to reduce first. -6 and then the divided by -6, that reduces. That's the clearing fraction part. You just have x plus 36 left. Fractions are cleared. That's the whole point. No more fractions. Now continue to solve this. So I have x plus 36. I want to do the inverse of plus 36 by doing -36 on both sides. So we're left with x equals 6. All right, this is the question that's on page 26. And if you look at on the right, I gave you some steps to just help you remember what's happening. So again, this is a question where we don't necessarily need to clear fraction first, but we are. You can almost look at this as like cross multiplying. That's essentially what we're doing. 5 times the 8 equals x plus 44. Right? Because our only denominator is 8. Right? So essentially here, cross multiplying allows us to clear the fraction here. Right? But if you want to see what I did in the previous part, what I was saying was multiply both sides by 8. This cancels on the right, and you're left with 5 times 8 equals x plus 44. So 40 equals x plus 44. Fractions are cleared. Okay, continue to solve. So subtract 44 from each side. And we get -4 equals x.